In this video, you will learn how to expand your library and distribute manufacturer modules. Let's begin with some general information about data table copy operations. Expanding the data table of a component can be done in two different ways. The first option is to copy BIM components. This creates a completely new component with a newly generated profile group. In this case, there is no connection to the original source component. The second option is to use your keyboard with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. This also creates a new component, but unlike the first option, it shares the same profile group as the source component. That means the profile group remains the same, but the parameters can be different. If you need to delete a data record, simply select the corresponding data row and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Now let's move on to distribution, exporting and sharing manufacturer modules. When you export a manufacturer module, an LDM12 file is generated and placed in the export folder of your current data pool. The usual local path is C, Program Data, DigiPara, DCC, Data Pool, Data, Export. Importing works just as easily. But here is an important note first. For the import to be successful, all running DigiPara Liftdesigner applications must be closed. The exported manufacturer module, the LDM12 file, can be imported into any data pool. By default, the import folder is located at C, Program Data, DigiPara, DCC, Data Pool, Data, Import. Thanks for watching!